Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2017 Audi A5 Sportback S line. Now this is the 2-litre TDI S-tronic automatic gearbox and 190 PS. Now this car is finished in the Daytona Grey Pearl effect paint, which is absolutely beautiful, and it's sitting on the 19-inch bicolour alloy wheels. Now as you can see, the Daytona Pearl effect in this sunshine flips its tones. You can see the glitter, you can see the silver, the grey, the white. What a wonderful looking car. I've drove this and it drives absolutely silky smooth. I don't think there's a better looking 5-door hatchback coupe than one of these, full stop. Obviously current model, put a cherished number plate on that and anybody would think you've bought a brand new car, let me tell you. Now these 19-inch wheels, they are finished, as I say, in the light grey and diamond turned effect, and they're riding on wonderful 19-inch tyres all the way around. Now the S-line gets the, on the power vent there on the door, you get the insignia to tell you that it is the real deal. We've got the LED signature lights there, parking sensors on the front and the rear. Beautiful, beautiful order. The car down both sides is in wonderful condition, no real marks at all. A couple of tiny little stone chips on the bonnet that we've touched in, but nothing that would be detrimental to you purchasing this beautiful, beautiful car. All the wheels are in wonderful order. When we send it into detailing in the workshop, they will remove the wheels, they'll do the calipers, they'll do the discs, they'll improve any little marks that are on the wheels. But what a gorgeous, gorgeous piece of kit. Now it's got an electric tailgate as well. Hopefully I can open that. I'll have to do that in a minute. But they are a massive boot. They're very similar to that of the Audi A4 estate car. So you're not compromising on space with this car. You've actually got everything that's practical, but then packaged in that super, super looking coupe line. So when we jump inside the vehicle, not only does it have the full package, but it looks stunning as well. So when we open the Audi door, we've got the aluminium detail on there, we've got the piano black inlay also fully kitted out, so 4 electric windows, electric heated door mirrors, S-line insignia on the door, and then you get these wonderful sports S-line seats which are part leather and part cloth, embossed as well at the top there with S-line, and then this great grey stitching throughout. Now that is throughout. We get the square bottom steering wheel and again stitched in grey. Jumping into the car, we've got automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, we've got the multifunction square bottom steering wheel, that's in the Audi R8s as well. Paddle shift on the S-tronic automatic gearbox, so we can take manual mode if we wish, and driver on the steering paddles. Automatic everything really. So cruise control, speed limiter. This one has 3-zone climate control. So we've got one for the passenger on the front, one for the driver on the front, and then you do have rear climate vents as well. Now, multifunction Audi Multimedia System on these, very easy to use. Parking sensors on the front and the rear. Satellite navigation, telephone, Bluetooth. Radio is DAB also, and media player. Now the media player is in the glove box, so in there we do have a CD, we do have an SD card for the sat nav which is in there. SD2 is you can download your music, and we've got a SIM as well if you want that extra Wi-Fi type thing. Aluminium detail runs throughout, so all through the dash and then onto that door card there. Audi approved car to the last keeper, having bought it with 3,500 miles on. We've got a complement of service documentation all there, and then everything is there as you can see. Have a look on the words, that will then have all the details on the service documentation, and there are pictures as well on our website with all the service history. Heated seats, I've got them on now, nice toasty warm. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper hasn't smoked either. It smells really fresh and nice in here. Good sound system as we listen to Erasure. Yeah, nice sound system. Just turn the volume down. Drive select, so we can choose on the car how we want it. Do we want to drive in comfort mode, efficiency mode, automatic, dynamic, or individual? Menu button gives us then the whole car system, and we can just use that. So you can use everything if you want. Various functions, buttons, wheels, as most modern cars have today. So lovely, lovely example. USBs ×2, auxiliary as well. We've also, that's a nice place to keep your phone also. Aluminium pedal set, onboard system, so we can run through the computer, so we can have different on the different functions, head-up display in the clocks. So sat nav, speed, boots open because I've opened it because I couldn't before, radio, and phone. I always have the phone on there. Get a phone call, see if it's the wife wanting you to go to the shops on the way home. You just don't answer it. If it's your mate, you answer it. But yeah, joking aside, fantastic inside this car. Love it, I love it. So let's have a look in that boot, because that's where it's all going to happen. Because, as I say, this is the coupe looks, but the practicalities of an Audi A4 estate car. In the back, the leather and the cloth, the contrast stitch continues. There's the third zone area of the climate control. But look in there, what an absolute gorgeous, gorgeous car. Electric tailgate is open now, and there you can see how big that boot is. So that boot is exactly the same to which you would have in an Audi A4 estate car. We can remove the parcel shelf here, you can remove the blind there, and then you've got a massive, massive boot. Spare wheel, first aid kit is still there as well, which is nice to see. Press the button here, and that's your electric tailgate, and down she goes. But Daytona Pearl effect is arguably my favourite colour in an Audi. Sat on those beautiful 19-inch wheels with privacy glass, S-line specification, automatic S-tronic gearbox. I don't think there's a better all-round family car. What a price as well. I mean, I can't believe this is what it is. It's just amazing. So, 2 keys to recap, book pack, service history. Lovely extras, lovely colour, lovely car. Now, if this is for you, give us a call. I'll take £250 deposit. That's fully reserved then for you. The car will then go through the workshop. It will be detailed, so you only have to visit Wigan once. Once you've test drove it, once you've approved it, you just do a banking transfer on your phone. If you've got finance or you need finance, give us a call. We'll get all that in place before you come to Wigan, so it's very, very easy, straightforward, and, you know, no pressure whatsoever from me, Dom or Lee. Have a look on our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK coming collecting vehicles, just doing what you're thinking about doing. Have a look at our reviews. That's what they say about us and the service they've received. So, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.